For B part, you have to find the volume of revolution when the region between the curve and the line AB is rotated through an angle of 360 degree about the y-axis. So first of all, write down the formula for volume. Integration of pi of area of a curve and area of a line. So for example, area of curve is denoted by x1, that would be x1 square, minus area of a line is denoted by x2, so it would be x2 square. Because it is rotated about y-axis, so you have to do integration along y-axis. Let me go back to the figure. You can see the line and the equation of line and the equation of curve both are lying on the x-axis and y-axis combinedly, but you have to do rotate this figure along y-axis only. So you can choose the limits for this y-axis because they are rotated along y. So choose this point, the meeting point at y-axis, this is 2, and the meeting point at y, this is -1. It means that your integration should be between -1 to 2. If this is rotated along x-axis, then your limits between 2 and 5 would be chosen. But this is chooses along y-axis, so it would be -1 to 2 limits. So limits would be -1 to 2. x1 is basically what? x1 is the equation of curve, just like I did told you. So put the relevant values over here. Pi times x1 square, equation of curve is actually y square plus 1. So it would be y square plus 1 whole square minus x2 is what? It is the equation of line. So it would be y plus 3 whole square. Integration is along y-axis. Do the simplification. -1 to 2 pi times y raised to the power 4 plus 2y square plus 1 minus y square plus 6y plus 9 and integration over dy. Right? Now do simplification. That gives you -1 to 2 pi times y raised to the power 4 plus 2y square minus 1 minus y square minus 6y plus 9 dy. Solve the relevant terms together. -1 to 2, that gives you pi of y raised to the power 4 plus y square minus 6y minus 8, and integration is along dy. Now you can solve this integration by using a power rule of integration. Pi is taken outside. -1 to 2 y raised to the power 4 plus y square minus 6y minus 8 dy. Apply the power rule of integration. That would be pi of y raised to the power 5 over 5 plus y cube by 3 minus 6y square by 2 minus 8y. Limit over it is -1 to 2 again. Do some simplification. That you can, 2 times 3 is 6, so it would be pi of y raised to the power 5 over 5 plus y cube by 3 minus 2y square plus 8y. Now apply the limits over here. Pi of upper limit is 2, so it would be 2 raised to the power 5 over 5 plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 3 minus 2 times 2 square minus 8 times 2 minus, put at the place of y minus 1, so it gives you minus 1 whole raised to the power 5 by 5 plus minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 3 minus 2 times minus 1 square plus, just give me a second, minus 8 times minus 1. Now solve these limits correspondingly. After solution, your volume value will be pi times minus 284 dividing by 15 minus 67 by 15, that gives you pi of, taking the LCM 15 and doing the simplification over here, that will gives you your answer as pi of 23.4. That would be in minus case, but volume can never be in negative form. Volume is always positive. So by using this assumption, you have to choose your answer in a positive way, and your values will be 23.4 times pi. That is the answer for this volume.